morning, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you are watching this on. Good morning. It's going to be a great day. Remember and always tell yourself it's going to be a great day. It is what you make it. I got my coffee and sorry for that view. Getting in the truck and we are headed to the church. I got my trailer hooked up. We got some things to tear down. We have Pastor Sarah and Pastor Josh gonna meet us up there. Melissa's gonna meet us up there. She's on the way to take Elizabeth to school. We're gonna get that all torn down, looking nice in front of the church. Get things done, hang out for the day, get some office work done. I gotta go to the post office again. Yesterday's video that I put out had me going to the post office, and I wasn't complaining at all. It's just a frustration of mine because I go up there all the time and it seems like it's the same thing over and over about you. There's a machine that you scan your prepaid labels and you scan it, and then you can put it in a little drop box and pull down, and it goes through a chute into a big push basket back behind there, and that saves you 20-30 minutes at the post office of standing in line and scanning your product in. Now you don't have to get your pre-scan label scanned in, but the thing is, I like the reinsurance of when I do scan it in, it gives me a automatic tracking number, and it gives my customer a tracking number. If I don't get it scanned in, I just put it on the counter, it could get lost, and then they're like, oh, you never dropped it off at the post office. So that's just, I like to scan it in just for comfort and reinsurance that there's a tracking number on there. But yeah, I wasn't complaining. It's just a frustration. It's like that all the time, so I don't know what the deal is, but I don't know. Just got to deal with it, I guess. So just another thing. But we're headed to the church, and we will see y'all there. picked up. We're gonna get these pallets picked up once everybody gets here, hopefully. And then get all this stuff picked up and stored away in the gym. Take the tent down and call it a day for this. All right, so check out this nastiness that was left. Woo!
Flies.
All the flies.
Bugs in it.
Woo! And it does not smell good at all. So we're gonna be cleaning that up, raking all this hay up and stuff, and we're gonna get to it. So let's go.
Say beep beep. It's like he wanted him to go do the beep beep. What you eating, Violet? Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
That's hash browns. Hash browns. Huh? I don't know about that. You working? Are you helping to work?
She won't let me leave.
Are you working? No?
Every time I stand up, she goes, sit down. My butt is getting wet. She's mean. Awesome.
Yep.
Yep, we're going around the. Whew. All right, we're gonna take this all the way to the back and shove it in some woods. I'm just kidding. We're gonna unstack these nicely in the back of the property like we did last year, and they'll be ready for next year when we need them. So let's get to it. Violet,
Violet, wait.
we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, we are done here. We're gonna head back up. We're gonna get all the platforms. And we're gonna put them up in the gym. All the backdrops, I mean, that they took the pictures on. So got all these out here. We're gonna head up front. Let's go.
One more.
One more. Oh, one more. Sorry.
Tell it bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Till next year. I know, it's gotta be put up. Tell it bye. I know, so sad. So sad. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they gotta be put away. The pumpkins are gone. The pumpkin patch is gone.
Huh?
The pumpkin patch is gone.
I can die.
Yeah, pumpkins are gone. I know. Did I say bye? Don't get it in your eyes. Stay here. Bye, Lolly. Watch out, Violet.
Uh-oh. Rescue!
Yeah, it's a big hole.
That's gonna be my thumbnail.
Careful, there's another hole. You're gonna fall in it again.
Stop doing it with Dyer. It's Sarah, not a Dyer, but I'm here to help. Today we got our trusty rescue rake, and as you can see, we got a lot of hay going out over here. It looks pretty good over there. But if you pan this way right behind me, you can see we got a lot of work to do. Follow me. This is our church capital. It's called Halion. And it's time to get it retired. This is going to be under siege. Oh my gosh! How are we supposed to rig anything if getting stuck in it? Alright, Violet, grab the trash can.
Say no, Sarah, it's dirty. It got bugs.
Oh, right.
It's stinky, Sarah.
Find the rake. What kind of rake is this?
Have you ever raked before, Sarah?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Just making sure.
But I've used like the big rakes that are like this huge.
Yeah, that wasn't the point.
Oh.
Oh. The point
Do
was.
you want to switch?
Oh no, I've done some raking with the shovel.
Violet! Now! Who thought this was a good idea to spread this out?
Yeah, I told next year we need to get rid of
That's
this. Just get rid of it, not even have it out here.
Oh, true. Put a tarp down at least.
Sorry, fam. That was just.
Sorry,
Guys,
doing it with Dyer spam, but
It
this
gets
is a
all over the
no-no for
place.
next year.
It gets all over the place. Yeah.
It's currently 86 degrees. App says it. I don't know.
80 degrees.
80 degrees. Our weather app says feels like 105.
No, it feels about 85.
Really?
Yeah.
But anyways, it feels like a day you shouldn't be outside.
It doesn't? It feels nice out here.
I am hot. Maybe it's the rain.
You just started working.
Maybe it's the no hair time.
You just started working. Yeah.
Oh, if you pan over there to our right, we have Josh Dyer
Yeah.
coming on over to save the day, even though he just cleaned up every single thing out here.
Did he?
He did, but you know what? He's such a great sport, and he's walking away.
Trying to get her to
We're not talking about you.
hopefully she doesn't lose my
I
phone.
put touchscreen on.
Yeah, working outside. It's always good for sunscreen.
My suggestion was to grab some horses and cattle, bring them out here, and they'll probably be solved.
Yeah, and then I asked, whose horses are you bringing?
There's a bunch of stray horses, okay? This is Horselandia.
Yeah, but the housing, as you can see, is taking over the house area, and that area right there, all of that is already bought up. Forest Capital is gone. I don't even think you can call this the,
There's another city. We're rural. Wait, are we rural?
I don't think you can call this the horse capital of the world anymore. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's really done a great job.
Oh, guys, come this way. Look at this.
That's where the signs were.
Oh my gosh. Look, I just raked over this.
Yeah.
There was a bunch of hay on it, and I just raked. Take a look in there. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, do you see that? It just moved. Get in there, get in there. Do you see that? Psych! Oh my gosh, there is nothing in there. We're just joking with you.
Here comes the #1 worker bee.
Were you seeing what I did with that hole? Look inside of it.
I thought you were gonna ask me.
No, yeah, look inside of the hole. We just pinned the phone in there. Do you see it?
It's a dark hole.
I know, but they don't know that it's just a hole. Alright, Violet, what? Hey!
She's the #1 worker bee right here.
Hey, look up!
Hey, Violet, be careful with the holes now. What?
Anyway, that's Josh retiring, guys.
Retiring? They're loading up that stuff there. One
Violet,
trip.
can you help?
Make it one trip, guys.
Can you help me, bye?
No, guess not. All of this hay, guys. Tell 'em bye, Violet. America. Get out to vote if you haven't voted yet.
Don't be like me.
Violet just sat on that.
She's in her own world.
She was gonna sit down like she was gonna sit down and watch her video. Hey Violet, you can come sit. Come sit. You can sit. Watch your show. Boop. There you go. That's great. That's a great little safety spot right there.
I wish you could.
What happened?
Push instead of pull.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
I'm tired of these, Grandpa.
What, baby? Limpy.
Working up an appetite.
Grab the shovel with all this. Right here. Right here. Grab the shovel. Gotta get to work. Oh, yeah. That's how tall you are. Yep. Tall as Violet. Okay. Let's go to work, Violet. Oh, there's one right here. Let's cover this up. There's holes. I'm gonna have to find some dirt. Alright.
Wing over a little bit? Yeah. And then we're gonna bring it together.
Oh, oh, oh.
All right, so quick update. It is hot outside. We got everything torn down at the pumpkin patch, throwing a few things away here in the dumpster, and then coming back here and to take down all of my anchors. There's some anchors in the ground that anchor the canopy down to the ground. So we are gonna head to the house, go get some tools, some sockets to pull those up. And Melissa, Josh, and Sarah, they're in the office. They're gonna get some church work done now. And we're gonna head back up here after I head to the house. So we'll see you guys here in a minute. Alrighty, quick update. Everything's gone. Everything's picked up. And everybody that came out to help, Pastor Josh, Pastor Sarah, Miss Melissa, and even Billy came out and did some raking on the hay. We just want to say thank you for helping us take care of this. It was truly a blessing for sure. So that's going to be probably it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Stay tuned. May record me going online and playing some COD tonight. So we're going to be doing that. Also filming some of the election that starts tonight. So we're gonna be doing that, hanging out. As you can see, Big Red, got the American flag there, baby. That's right, America. So hopefully tonight, and we'll find out tomorrow if America is gonna be great again. So we are praying for the nations, praying for the leaders, and praying for God's hands to be all in it. So that's what we want to do. So here we are. We're gonna head to the house. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. As you can see here, it's 11 p.m. at night. We won't know until probably early in the morning if he pulled off it or not. And one, it looks like he will. Praise God. Also good news, Amendment 3 and 4 to legalize marijuana and the abortion. It failed. They didn't get the votes that they needed. So praise God for that. And we will see you guys tomorrow. We love you. Keep moving forward and never stop. We'll see y'all later.